Some of the health issues associated with this breed include difficulties breathing due to the pug's short snout. Why do pugs snort? This brachycephalic breed is prone to sneezing fits and snorting, which are caused by fluid or debris getting caught under the palate and irritating the throat or limiting breathing. The dog may quickly gasp and snort during these episodes, and usually these sneezing fits are not harmful. Keep in mind that due to their short snouts, pugs are unable to efficiently regulate their temperature through evaporation from the tongue by panting. As a result, this breed should not be exposed to very high temperatures. A pug's normal body temperature is between 101 degrees Fahrenheit 38 degrees Celsius and 102 degrees Fahrenheit 39 degrees Celsius. If this temperature rises to 105 degrees Fahrenheit 41 degrees Celsius, oxygen demand is greatly increased and immediate cooling is required. If body temperature reaches 108 degrees Fahrenheit 42 degrees Celsius, organ failure can occur. Their breathing problems can be worsened by the stresses of traveling in air cargo, which may involve high temperatures. Following the deaths of pugs and other brachycephalic breeds, several airlines either banned their transport in cargo or enacted seasonal restrictions. Never exercise your pug on a hot day, and if you are noticing any signs of overheating, bring your pug to an air-conditioned space and let the dog stay there until the dog feels better. Be sure to provide your pet with enough drinking water at all times. Do pugs snore? Pugs snore because of the way their airways are built. Short snout dogs are prone to snoring. Before you get a pug, ask yourself if you mind having a dog that will snore. Pugs aren't for everyone, and the potential owner should know that pugs snore at night when they sleep and during the day naps also. Owners of pugs must remember to regularly clean inside facial wrinkles with a clean, soft cloth to avoid irritation and infection. Start getting your pug comfortable with having his facial folds clean from an early age. Keep some treats handy and reward the dog for good behavior. It may take time to get your pug comfortable with having his wrinkles cleaned, but the effort is well worth the results. If pug's wrinkles aren't cleaned regularly, the bacteria that accumulates in the facial folds may cause severe skin irritation, skin fold dermatitis, and a bad smell caused by the bacteria. If you can hear your dog's nails making a clicking sound as the dog is walking on a hardwood floor, it is time to trim his nails. Not all pugs enjoy having their nails trimmed, and some dogs may resist the procedure with all their might. Be prepared with treats and do not rush the process. It may take you a few weeks initially to get the dog comfortable with having his paws handled and eventually with having his nails trimmed. Start with getting the dog comfortable with having his paws handled. Give him some treats for letting you handle his paws. This may take a couple of days or even longer. After the dog is used to letting you handle his paws, you can start getting him used to having his nails trimmed. Trimming one nail per day at the beginning is a good idea. Reward your dog for good behavior so that he can associate the procedure with a positive experience. Brush your dog's teeth with enzymatic toothpaste every night to keep your pug's teeth healthy. Not brushing a dog's teeth regularly will result in yellow tartar buildup on your dog's teeth. Tartar is difficult to remove, and you may need your veterinarian's help to help remove tartar. Tartar harbors harmful bacteria that can cause dental and other health issues in your pet. Brushing your dog's teeth regularly and providing your dog with dental treats helps to prevent tartar buildup on his teeth. In the cold months, your pug's nose needs extra care. Pug's nose may get dry, and using a nose butter can help to remedy the issue. Wipe the dog's feet after each walk in the winter months to remove ice or any ice-melting chemicals that could cause skin irritation. Some owners get dog booties for their pugs to help protect the dog's feet from any harmful chemicals and to keep the dog's feet warm on cold days. Pug's short coat and short snout make the dog vulnerable to cold weather. Dress your pug in a dog jacket to keep him warm outdoors, and pay attention to his behavior when outdoors in the cold weather. If you notice that the dog is shivering, lifting his paws, or seems disoriented, immediately take the pug indoors, as staying in the cold weather any longer may be unsafe for his health. Pug winter coat will help to keep the dog warm when walking outdoors. Overweight pug. Pugs really enjoy eating and aren't as active as many other dog breeds. This combination of the pug overeating and not exercising much can result in a fat pug. The owner needs to be careful not to overfeed the small dog. Only feed the dog with a nutritious dog food and give the dog the appropriate amount of dog food for his weight. A breed-specific dog food for pugs is designed to meet the dog's nutritional needs. Be mindful of your pug's weight, and if you notice that the pug is gaining extra weight, be sure to provide the dog with enough daily exercise and adjust his dog food portions to get the dog back to healthy weight. Pugs are not very active dogs, and the reason is because many pugs have some level of breathing problems due to their short snout. When a dog has breathing issues, overexercising the dog can be unsafe for his health. That doesn't mean that the dog should stay at home all day long with nothing to do. Take the dog for a walk several times every day. If you have an older pug, walk at his pace and pay attention to signs of tiredness. If the dog is tired, let him rest before continuing the walk. Regular walks keep the dog's weight healthy and his muscles and heart in good condition, and as the dog is getting older, you may shorten the distance that the dog walks. Shorter but more frequent walks are best for older pugs. Pugs are sensitive to hot weather and should be kept in cool environment when the temperatures outside are above the comfortable level. During bad weather, pugs can be exercised at home. Provide the dog with a toy that encourages him to be more active. Managing the pug's weight is important because overweight pugs have different health issues associated with the extra weight. Overweight dogs do not live as long as do dogs that stay in a healthy weight. Pug health problems. Pugs tend to gain weight rather easily and can get overweight if overfed. Overfeeding your pug will result in obesity. The extra body fat may compress the lungs and airways and may result in serious health issues. There are breed-specific dog foods available on today's market. Feeding your pug a healthy diet will help your dog to stay healthy and to live longer. Pugs have protruding eyes, and the owner needs to be careful when hugging the dog. Do not hug your Dutch Bulldog too hard because the pug's eyes may pop out as a result. The eyes then will need to be manually popped back in. Pugs have many genetic diseases associated with the dog's eyes. If you are noticing any issues with his eyes, check with the vet. If you have young kids, be sure to teach them how to properly handle a dog. Kids should not be allowed to lift the dog up. Many small dogs end up with serious injuries associated with falls. Pug shedding management. Do pugs shed? Despite having a short coat, pugs shed a lot, which can be a big disadvantage. Pugs shed throughout the year, with more abundant shedding during the fall and spring seasons. Though there is no way to reduce pug shedding, there are pug shedding solutions that can help to manage your dog's abundant shedding. Try Furminator De-Shedding Tool for dogs with short coat. Furminator De-Shedding Tool is popular among pug owners as it helps to dramatically reduce the amount of pug hair flying around your home by effectively removing the dead hairs as you brush the dog. Using a Furminator on your pug outdoors is a good idea as the cleanup is much easier after you are done with brushing your dog. If you are using Furminator on the pug indoors, be prepared for some cleanup after you are done de-shedding the dog. The Furminator is designed to gently remove the dead hair from the pug, and you may be surprised at the amount of dog hair that will pile up as you are brushing the pug. Have some treats handy if your dog is not used to sitting still for some time while you are brushing him. Are you thinking about getting a pug? Let us know what you decide in the comments below. And if you know someone who's thinking about getting a pug, please share this with them. If you liked this video, check out our website, the link is in the description of this video. Otherwise, have a great day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.